How we doing today, folks? I'm out here with a 2006 Dodge Sprinter. This is a 3500 diesel. Has a Mercedes-Benz engine in it. It's a 2.7 liter turbo diesel. Pretty nice little unit here. This was a tire truck, a tire service, roadside. As you can see, got the lift gate. We have the lights, floodlights work up there. Strobe lights work on top there. Gonna have Jesse put this lift gate down for us so you can see that that all works. Lift gate rated for 1,600 pounds, you see there? Did you turn the power on the cab? This is a really nice looking unit. Low miles, we got 29,905 miles on this. As you can see, the body's very clean. Has good tires front and back. The dual rear end. Get in here and show you the odometer. Right there, you got 29,905. As I said, this thing is about as clean as it gets. Has been repainted. You can see the yellow. Used to be yellow. Formerly yellow. Now it is white. But very nice vehicle here. You see these tires look good. They still have the nibs on the outside. Front tires. Get you up underneath here. Engine sounds great. Has side boxes on both. You got this box here on the other side as well. Has the drawers that come out. Still work. Here's your battery for your engine for the air compressor. Power switches here. This is the battery for the lift gate. As you can see, lift gate is working. It's a Tommy gate lift gate. Tommy lift. Has the Stellar Industries box on the back here. There you go. Works good. This cabinet here stores your hose reels. We have a retractable work light. There's your pressure gauge for your air tank. Send you up here so you can see the compressor. That Kohler engine seems to be leaking or overfeeding fuel. We're not sure what the deal is with that. You haven't figured that out. One more time, get you in on this side of the interior as well. As you can see, like I said before, this is super clean. Super clean. We usually don't get them this clean. There's all your controls here as well for your pumps, PTO, compressor, lights, all that stuff's there. Your hour meter for that engine. Really nice truck. Such low miles, how can you beat it? Jesse's gonna get you to pop this hood for me. I'll pull the latch, get you up under the hood here real quick. So you can see that Mercedes-Benz engine, little turbo diesel. to be a newer battery, newish. Alright folks, there she is. Your new work wagon right there. Come on down and see us.